All right, in this video, we're going to look at prime factorization. So we're going to factor 24 until we get all prime numbers. So anytime we have a number that ends in an even number like 4, we can divide by 2. So we can take 24 and divide 24 by 2, and we end up with 12. 12, again, is an even number, so we can divide that by 2 also. So 2 times 6 will give us 12. 6 is also an even number, so we can divide 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So as you can see, we have all prime numbers. We have 2, 2, 2, and 3. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, that's going to give us 4 times 6, and 6 times 4 is 24. So this is prime factorization, where we have all prime numbers.